Hi guys, thanks for tuning in again to a new video. Today we're showing you how we're making a wing spoiler for the new Porsche Taycan. And of course, everything starts with a 3D scan. Here you see the Taycan that has just arrived at our partner's place, and we already added some stickers. More about that later, but most important, we always start with spraying some chalk powder on the car that will help us to eliminate the reflective surface. You can see that here's the 3D scan going on, and you see the scanner is actually doing some light reflection. Each light reflection is taking a single picture, so that's why we need to put the chalk spray on so that the light doesn't give us a wrong image. And the stickers here, you can see them also in the scan. They help us, or they help the scanner to keep track. In the middle, when you focus on the scan here, you can see that the scan window is only 30 by 30 centimeters. So the scan markers, those little red black stickers, they help us to keep track. Porsche Taycan is really an awesome car, and it already came out with a sport package recently by Porsche. That's why we have decided our main focus will be on a new Aero kit. Here you can see me doing a final scan on the front, this time without light reflections. And the wing spoiler is going to consist of a big spoiler, that one's going to be optional, and a duck spoiler that's going to sit underneath. So if you want to see how we develop these parts in 3D, let me know in the comments down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching DMC Live.